How's it going, y'all? It's Turning Wheels. Hope you're having a great day. I want to show y'all a new product. It's Wuben is the name of the brand. This is not flashlight. This is Wuben ECL. It's the Wuben X3 Easy Carry Light Innovator. Go ahead and open it up. Got some little plastic right here. Open up that side. Open up this side. It does have a 1-year warranty. This is the QR code, Wuben website, and then their Facebook. Open that piece up. It almost looks like a little sticker where it says Wuben. Pretty cool. Little paperwork, user manual, X3 white and red light. A couple different things. So it says there's maintenance method, a little bit of everything. Warranty card for the 1 year. Put the flashlight in the charging base. All right, anyways, we'll go ahead and open it up. It's going to be an EDC, everyday carry. Go ahead and open it up right here. Easy Carry Light Innovator. Let's see. Open it up right here. And they're pretty good. Let's see. Set all this stuff to the side. All right, this looks to be the charging case, so it'll go inside of there. I don't know how well you can see, but it's gonna kick back right here. And it snaps into place. And then down here, you have a little USB Type-C. It's a little button. You turn it on. If you can see the blue light, turn it off. That'll seal it from the water protection, dirt, stuff like that. Accidentally turned it on. Well, they actually have it to where you can turn it on or off through the outside. Pretty cool. Shows you 3,000 milliamps. So here's the actual unit. Let's see. More stuff. There's a little cable. Now this is something that's pretty cool. So it looks like a regular little lanyard strap, Easy Carry Light Innovator. Wuben branding, nice branding. Push, and then it has Type-C right here on the side. Let's see. You push that little button, that little tab. You have Type-C to Type-C. So you can use this at your wall adapter. And then this can go into the unit of the actual flashlight. So pretty cool. Let's see. Let me snap it back together. So you just put them back together, snap that in there. You're good to go. Oop, kind of pulled it too hard. That's what I was trying to show off. You just line them up to where they'll both go on the outside right there. And then it kind of snaps inside. Anyways. Put that to the side. Here's the actual unit, flashlight. So you could put this on like a hat or a t-shirt or your belt, wherever you need it to. Let's see. Hold this down. It shows the lock position. Hold it down. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. You can actually charge it magnetically down here on the bottom. So as you can see, the blue light, it is charging. Currently shows 90%. Pretty cool. And then what you could do is charge it from there. So that would charge the light and the little power bank, little portable charger. Very cool, guys. All right, so to unlock it, you click it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's 1 lumen. Let me turn off the lights. I don't want to blind you, but that's 1 lumen right there. And then as you can see, double click, it goes into 700 lumens. It's very bright. This will be a great everyday carry light, I mean, being that it's 700 lumens. So, very cool. That's 1. 700. Hold it down. There goes your red light. 80 lumens red light. So for nighttime, use red light. You'll be able to see very good. I mean, you could put this on your belt while you're camping or hiking or walking down a trail, walking your dog at night. I mean, they can be able to pick this up, you know, very easy. Hold it down. Level 1. 700. Double tap. Triple click, goes into this little strobe mode. If you need to fend off an attacker or a dog or something. Triple click, SOS mode. Back into strobe. 700 lumens. 1 lumen. Do it again, 80. So very cool. It's got a lot of different things you can do, guys, with this. Here's 50 lumens. 700. 150. 150, 150, and then double click to go into 700. So this is a very cool light, guys. Wuben not WX3, sorry. The Wuben X3 light. I'm gonna be using this in other videos, maybe working on the truck or other vehicles or other projects. So I'll put this in the link in the description. I really appreciate everybody liking, comment, subscribe, and hope y'all have a great day. Let's turn them wheels.